pilat.
Laka! Uy!
Para masabong sila sabong.
Gamiting dance siya. Diba, sa tubang niya.
Wow!
Lalapit na.
Sa bahay.
They're so pretty.
Dinagyang.
Tapos isa to patulog-tulog lang.
Maswiming. Money baby.
Wow, so proud as a mom. Stage mom si What are you feeling now?
I'm feeling happy because I see around you.
What are you feeling?
Wow!
Are you happy?
Ah.
The mother and the son. Wala. Sige, Bugs.
Cute yung giraffe. Hi!
Hello. Hey. Tinignan ka.
Again, snub. Uy!
May dala-dalang bata. Pag-please.
Oh! Hey! King of the jungle.
Bombardiro, krokodilo.
Nasa Rome? Ano nasa Rome?
Buhaya.
Bombardiro.
Bombardiro, krokodilo.
Abi ko mapasibu sa Safari Park kita nga ari kita sa Senado.
Talon yung ano.
Flowers and stems. Now this bird, it can grow up to 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 3 to 4 feet. Now Tugirigens have a large and beautiful bill that looks heavy, but in reality, it is extremely light. Now, formerly known as redback sea eagle, set and ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for our last Brahminic eye, please let Now, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the Now, we can make a difference for wildlife and for a better future generation. Now, let me introduce to you the... Alright, now, for those who want to take pictures of our photograph birds,
Feel ko dito sa glass ang kalapit ang brown pagkakon. Awa ba lang?
Why are you sleeping?
Sige, Jerome na lang.
It looks at me. Hi, birdie. Hey, birdie.
Ay, oh. Ito yung pole dance.
Lakadlaw, baka lagi ka mo tanan-tanan. Ano nyo na?
There's a zebra.
Zebra.
Inside, we have here a group of blue wildebeest. Blue wildebeest are in its name, with their blue shin coat, their black mane, and their neck beard.
Hi everyone, it's 4 p.m. and it's the last 1 hour sa safari. So, we're gonna go to the capybaras!
Wala ba na go na ko no?
Wow!
It's mad. You made the bird mad.
Ano your corks?
Kakadamstik, luto cute.
Hi everyone,
May
it's
upod siya nga manok.
walking in a forest. Tan, 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 tan.